What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. Gonna show you another website where you can get free crypto. You can do this every 10 minutes, and the best part about it is you can get paid instantly into your crypto wallet. All right, I'm gonna show you how it's done, show you how I'm doing it, show you how I'm getting paid from this. So first, let me show you the different crypto that you can choose from on this site. Just scrolling down here, they have Bitcoin, they have Dogecoin, they have Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, all these different cryptos you can choose from. So let's say, for instance, I want to get Dogecoin. So right here, you got the claim and you withdraw. I'll just click on claim and it'll take me to this next page. I just scroll down, click on claim right there. Then it's going to ask me to verify that I am a human. So basically I have to type, we'll pick all the dogs that are wearing sunglasses. And then once I'm done with that, I will click on next and then verify. And after that, I should get my crypto. So that's done. Click on claim. And there it is. So you see the amount of Dogecoin that I got. So now let me go back to the dashboard to show you that my balance did go up. And then for there, I'm going to show you how to withdraw. So let me go back to the home page. And you'll see my Dogecoin balance and went up right there. So now I got 0.001 and a little bit more than that. So you have it in there. Now you want to know how to withdraw. So you'll click on withdraw here. It'll take you to the next page. And really the minimum is very, very low. You see the amount I have in my wallet. There is the withdrawal minimum. So I basically scroll down here to this iCoin Pay wallet. And you have to create one of these, but it's free. You can create it within the website. So, just create one, and this way you get your money sent to. So I'll click on that. Again, I'm not a robot. Click on withdraw. And right there, withdrawal success. So it did go there. So now let me go check my iCoin Pay wallet and see if it's actually in there. I have a little bit of Bitcoin and right there the Dogecoin. So now let me show you the statistics, the activity to show you that actually came from the XFaucet website. So let me go here. Let me go to stats. And I'm going to click on Dogecoin. Scroll down right here. You see that it's the 9th. Today is when I got it. So there's that. And then when I go down to receive from, to show you that it did come from this XFaucet site right here, you receive Dogecoin 0.001 right there. You know what I'm saying? So it's legit. I get different cryptos from time to time. I'm just kind of focusing right now on Dogecoin for the purpose of this video. But I'm doing Bitcoin, Tron, some other ones I'm just playing around with. But I just wanted to show you that it's definitely legit. It pays instantly, and you can claim it every 10 minutes. So just whenever you have time, just go in here, claim the free crypto, withdraw it to your iCoin Pay wallet, and from there you can take it to wherever you want. Just making money off cryptos. So it's very easy to use. I'll leave the link to this site in the description so you can sign up. It's completely free. Claim this free crypto every 10 minutes. Withdraw. Get it instantly. All right. There are not a lot of sites out there that will pay you instantly for crypto. This is definitely one of them. So take full advantage. Like I said, link is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.